Happy to see you here again. Welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. In this short video, we are going to look at ways to manage the challenges with copying data or text from Microsoft Word to Excel. We'll look at 3 examples and show you tips and tricks to handle these challenges as they come up. As we always do, let's head to Excel and see how this is done. So this is my Word document and I want to copy the data here into Excel. So as we always do, I have the summary there, so I'll just start from Coast Juice all the way to drinks and then Control C, and I come to Excel and I paste Control V. So often you realize that it goes all the way to the end, even though we'll love to see it probably in 3 rows by some columns to make it nice and centered in one page. A way to do this will be to highlight and then go down the number of rows you want to see. So here I'm selecting 3 rows and then I want to house this across these columns. So I've given it 3 rows and then these columns. After you highlight, you go to Home and then in the editing group you see Fill. Drop this and then you click Justify. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's now going to split this into subsequent rows so that you can see them nicely over here. So this is the first step. Now let's take a second example. So in the second example, we go back to our Word document, and this time around we want to copy the second paragraph. So here I copy the entire paragraph and then we come back to Excel and then we paste. So as expected, this goes all the way to the end. Now looking at our Word document, we have about 6 rows here. So let's just do the same thing. We go down 6 rows, highlighting 6 rows by these number of columns up to J. Let's try the same example. So Fill and Justify. Do you observe anything? Now, if you look at it, you realize that it did not bring everything. It truncated the whole paragraph at Europe, not even the full word. Now, the thing we're using this trick is that any number of characters exceeding 255 will be truncated. So you need to be careful. So in this case, you may have to go in again to copy the rest and then paste it down. To prove that, you can use the Excel function len to check the number of characters. This is 84, this is 93, and this is 76. If I add all this, I get 253. So anything exceeding 255 will be truncated. So you just need to be careful anytime you are doing this with a large paragraph. Now, in the third example, we want to copy this with a paragraph marker. Now when you come to Word, you see in the paragraph group under Home, you see this icon here, the Show Hide Characters. When you click on it, it's able to show you where the characters for spaces and other paragraph markers are. Now often when we are copying, you need to pay attention to the paragraph marker. Normally when you copy and you include the paragraph marker in this case, if I extend it to this, it means I've included the paragraph marker. And let me turn this off. Now I copy. When I come to Excel and I paste this, all this is going to sit in one cell. Okay, so it's important you get the difference. If you copy with the paragraph marker, everything will be wrapped up in one text, in one cell, and you don't have to go through the earlier examples. But if you don't, you can use the Fill, Justify to break it into the rows to see all the paragraphs. So anyone that works for you, please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add it to our broadcast list so you get videos when we post them. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please visit and subscribe. or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.